Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You're watching Math with Yasir Fahd, and today we have to discuss the question which are related to the limit second year lecture 1. Most repeated and important question here. So here the limit x tends to 0 is given, and by the sandwich theorem sin theta over theta with the limit sin 0 it is equals to 1. So here we have to multiply sin 2x and divided by 2x. Similarly, this is sin 3x, multiply and divided by 3x. Now separate the limit here. We can write down limit x tends to 0 sin 2x over 2x multiply by 2x divided by the limit x tends to 0 sin 3x over 3x multiply by 3x. So this 3x will cancel out to this one, and this become the sandwich theorem here. Sin theta upon theta with the limit it will be equals to 1 divided by the 1 2 over 3. So the result of this question here it is equals to 1, and this is the sandwich theorem here which we have to use here. Limit theta tends to 0 sin theta over theta will be equals to 1. This is also called the sandwich theorem here. Now the next very important question here, the limit x tends to infinity x square minus 5x plus 2 divided by 5x square plus 6x minus 4. Dear students, when the limit which is given to you infinity, then the procedure which we have to adopt here to find the limit in this situation, just take out the maximum power of the variable common from the numerator as well as from the denominator. So here the maximum power is x square, so just we have to take out x square common here. So this is equals to 1 minus 5. Here x we have to take out x power 2 common, so the factor will be divided by x, and this is there is no x square, so we have to divide it by x square. In the denominator we have to take out the maximum power of the variable common in the denominator. So this is 5 plus 6 over x minus 4 over x square. There is no x square, so we have to divide it by x square. So this x square will be cancel out to each other. In which situation we have to apply this strategy? Only the situation when the limit given to you tends to infinity, then we have to take out the maximum power common from the numerator of the variable, and the maximum power of the variable we have to take out common from the denominator. And after simplification, then we have to apply the limit here. So here this is 2 over x square, 5 6 over x minus 4 over x square. Now applying limit here, limit x tends to infinity, so everywhere we have to write down the infinity where the x is there, whole divided by 5 plus 6 over infinity 4 over infinity square, and we know that anything upon infinity the result is 0. So the result is 1 upon 5. Anything upon infinity the result will be equal to 0. So please remember that, students, if the limit given to you tends to infinity, then we have to use this strategy here. The maximum power of the variable we have to take out the common from the numerator as well as from the denominator, and then we have to apply the limit. And the anything upon infinity, the result it is equals to 0. So our final result is 1 upon 5. Thank you so much, dear students. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel Math with Yasir Rafat. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.